Think you're crushing your squats? Be honest, are your knees caving in, heels lifting, or your back rounding? Because if so, every rep might be quietly wrecking your gains instead of building them. But here's the twist. Fixing it doesn't take strength. It takes awareness. Build curiosity plus common mistakes. Most people think squats are all about going low, but that's half the story. The real mistake? Turning it into a knee exercise instead of a full-body power move. You'll see folks leaning forward like they're bowing or dropping too fast like it's a race. That's why their lower backs scream instead of their legs growing. Want to know what strong squatters do differently? It starts before they even move, revealing proper form. Step by step, switch to correct demonstration. Here's how to fix it. 1 feet shoulder width apart, toes slightly out. Your base is your foundation, like the frame of a skyscraper. 2, brace your core. Think of tightening your stomach before someone playfully punches you. 3, sit back, not down. Push your hips behind you, as if you're reaching for a chair. 4, keep your chest tall, eyes forward, and drive through your heels on the way up. Pointing gesture. Notice the difference? Now your glutes, quads, and core share the load. No more knee pain, just pure control. Advanced tweaks plus motivation. Want to level up? Try filming from the side. Your spine should form one clean line, not a question mark. And here's a challenge. Do 10 flawless squats right now. Feel that balance? That's what real strength feels like. Remember, squats aren't just about lifting weight. They're about building the foundation for everything else you do. Master the basics, and the power will follow.